Ria, I have number 5. What comes after 5?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 5 is 6.
Oh, after means next number. Look, number 2.
And after 7 is 8.
So easy. Just count forward.
Now try this. What comes before 6?
Let's count. 4, 5, 6. So before 6 is 5.
Correct. Okay, Aman. What about this one?
Before 4 is 3.
And this one?
Before 8 is 7. Before means the number just behind.
Oh, I get it.
Very good, children. After means the next number. Before means the number that comes just before. For example, after 5 is 6. Before 6 is 5. We find them by counting forward and backward. Now tell me, what comes after 3? What comes before 9? Great job. Today we learned before and after numbers. Keep practicing counting every day.
Ria, why is the air so dirty today?
Yes, I can see smoke everywhere.
Look there, smoke from vehicles.
And over there, factories are giving out smoke.
I also see people burning garbage.
That also makes smoke.
And cigarette smoke too.
All the smoke makes the air dirty.
This is called air pollution.
Air pollution is not good for our health.
Very good, children. Air pollution happens when smoke and harmful gases mix with air. Smoke from vehicles, factories, burning garbage and cigarettes pollutes the air. Dirty air is harmful for our health. We should keep our air clean. Name one thing that causes air pollution. Is clean air good for us? Very good. Today we learned about air pollution. Let's keep our air clean and safe.
Hello, I am number 42. My name is 42. I have 40 and 2 more. We are 42 balls.
Count us. 40 and 2 more. We are called 42. Hello, I am number 43. My name is 43. I have 40 and 3 more. We are 43 balls. Count us. 40 and 3 more. We are called 43. Hello.
Very good, children. 42 is written as F-O-R-T-Y-T-W-O. 42 means 40 and 2 more. 43 is written as F-O-R-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 43 means 40 and 3 more. Now think and tell me, what comes after 42? Which number has 3 ones? Good job! Today we learned 42 and 43. Keep counting and practicing.
Ria, I see words like on and in.
Yes, I also want to know.
Let's look at the pictures and understand.
Look, the cat is on the mat.
Yes, it is sitting on top.
The ball is on the table.
So on means on top.
Look, the mango is on the tree.
The bird is on the roof.
The pen is on the book.
And the book is on the shelf. Now see this. The pig is in the hut.
It is inside.
The egg is in the pan.
So in means inside.
The nib is in the pen.
The cat is in the tub.
Hello kids. We use on when something is on top. We use in when something is inside. Examples: cat on the mat, pig in the hut. Now tell me, is the book on the shelf or in the shelf? Is the cat in the tub or on the tub? Good job! Today we learned on and in. Keep practicing.
Hello, friends. I am number 95. I come after number 94 and before 96. You can see many candies here. Count them. 90 and 5 more. That makes me 95.
Hi, I am number 96. If you add 1 more to 95, you get me. 9 tens and 6 more makes 96. Look at these stars, so many. Let's count them together. 90 and 6 more. That makes 96.
Very good, children. Let us understand numbers 95 and 96. 95 is written as N-I-N-E-T-Y-F-I-V-E. 96 is written as N-I-N-E-T-Y-S-I-X. Now tell me, what comes after 95? Which number has 6 ones? What is the number name of 95? Today we learn numbers 95 and 96. Keep practicing counting every day.
Ria, look at this water. It looks so dirty.
Yes, something is making the water dirty. People are throwing garbage in water.
That makes the water dirty.
Look there! Wastewater is going into the river.
That also pollutes water.
People are washing clothes in the river.
And animals are bathing in water.
All these activities cause water pollution.
We should keep water clean.
Hello kids. Water pollution happens when dirty things mix with water. Throwing garbage in water, releasing wastewater, washing clothes and bathing animals in water bodies pollute water. Dirty water is not safe for us or animals. Now think and tell me. Name one activity that pollutes water. Should we throw garbage in water? Today we learned about water pollution. Let's keep our water clean.
Come on, let's play a game.
Yay! What game?
I will say a word, you say its opposite.
Okay, let's start.
Open, close, empty, full, soft, hard, young, old, short, tall, slow, fast, hot, cold, up, down, wet, dry.
Very good, children. Opposites are words that have opposite meanings, like open, close, hot, cold, up, down. Now you try. What is the opposite of full? What is the opposite of fast? Great job! Today we learned opposites. Keep playing and learning.
Hello, friends. I am number 44. Look at these balls. Count them. 40 and 4 more. That makes me 44. My number name is F-O-R-T-Y-F-O-U-R 44. Hi, I am number 45. Look carefully. So many balls. Now count 40 and 5 more. That makes 45. My number name is F-O-R-T-Y-F-I-V-E. Hi.
Hello kids. 44 is written as F-O-R-T-Y-F-O-U-R. 45 is written as F-O-R-T-Y-F-I-V-E. Now think and tell me, what comes after 44? What is the number name of 44? Good job! Today we learn numbers 44 and 45. Keep practicing counting.